Hi my beauties, and welcome back to my channel. So today I did a Thanksgiving glam. Let me just zoom in so you guys can see my eyeshadow. It's like a really, I don't know how to explain it, but I used the Christine Dominique eyeshadow palette. These are the colors that I used. This one, and this one. And then I used my Morphe Jeffree Star palette, and I used this one. You basically just need like a light shade to create that like diffused effect on top. But yeah, whoa. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then just stay tuned. And let's get started. I'm going to start off with priming my eyelids with the Tarte Shape Tip Concealer. We're going to be using the Celestial Thunder palette, and these are the colors. I feel like these colors are screaming Thanksgiving to me. So I'm going to be going in with a light shade. Maybe this one right here. I feel like this is like the perfect shade. And I'm just going to apply this as my transition color. It's so cloudy outside. I love cloudy days. They're like my favorite days in general. It's very important to always get the lightest shade as a transition color because it gives you that diffuse eyeshadow blend. So once I have that, I'm going to go in with the Celestial Thunder eyeshadow palette. I freaking love this palette. The colors are so beautiful. So I'm going to be going in with this color right here, which is the Storm Dust. I'm kind of going for like a orange burnt eyeshadow. No eyeliner, just like the eyeshadow. So with this color, we're just gonna focus on the crease area. We really want to darken that color up with the transition color. We're just blending. Can you believe I have no fucking makeup remover wipes? Like, I don't know what's going on with me. I need to go buy some. But dude, I don't understand how I don't have makeup remover wipes. And I always buy so many packs when I go to the store. Like, that's something that I always stock up on because I know I use them like crazy. So I've been using this one makeup remover formula that I got in my boxycharm, which I really love. So I've just been using that one like to remove my makeup when I shower. But if you guys are like me, like, I'm the type of person who likes to wash their face, remove their makeup, and then go in with a makeup remover wipes and remove more makeup, and then go in with my Neutrogena liquid makeup remover oil and remove like the leftover makeup on my face. I just like doing that. I really like to ensure that I remove everything off. That's just how I am. So I'm going to go in with the transition brush and just blend the top so we can have that nice diffused look. Now I'm going to go in with some concealer and kind of cut my crease halfway. And I'll show you guys how I'm going to do that right now. So you just want to close your eyes and like cut it on top of your crease, because if you cut it on your crease, the color is going to go on top of your crease. And I hate when that happens. Just like that, nothing special. And I'm going to do the same thing to my other eye. Oh, I really need to get Botox because I feel like I'm getting wrinkles in my forehead, and I've been saying I'm going to get them, and I really do need to get them. Okay, so this is what we have. And I'm gonna go in with this shimmery shade. We're gonna start with the shimmery shade like right here in the inner corners, and then we're gonna move on with Fireball, which is this beautiful it's like a chrome orange color. And then we are going to finish it off with a little dark shade. So we're gonna finish it off with this color. I'm gonna do it with my finger because I feel like the colors just go in a lot better. And then I'm going to go in with the Fireball shade, which is like this beautiful orange. And just blend it in. Oh my god, dude, this color is beautiful. I get really excited with eyeshadows. I don't know why, but I live for eyeshadows. This is making me crave a fireball drink. Okay, and then we're gonna go in with a dark shade, which is like this beautiful black shimmery shade, and just apply this on the edge. And then I'm gonna go in with a brush to blend all of these colors in, because you guys are probably like, what the fuck. All right, so now that we have this little funky shit going on, I'm using like this little small brush and going in with that dark color right here. We're gonna blend the outer corners. Nice. Try and blend that color in with our dark matte define color we put after our transition color, and just blend this in like this. Ooh, I love this. Okay, so we are done with the eyeshadow. I'm just gonna curl my lashes and apply my favorite mascara. I haven't even worked out like in 2 weeks, and I don't fucking care, because why am I gonna work out when I'm gonna stuff my face this week? Okay, so this is boring. I'm just gonna do my foundation. None of your concern anymore. None of your concern. And where is my sponge at? Let's listen to Genie Aiko. This is how I bake. Oh, this one's so cute. My little Too Faced bronzer. It's made with real chocolate. It smells like chocolate. Beauties, so I'm back. This is the final look. Okay, so let me just explain what I did use on my face. I used the Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. I got it at Ulta. It's such a good foundation. I highly recommend it. If you guys are wondering what I'm wearing in my lips, I'm wearing this Stripped Down MAC lip liner with this Milani matte lipstick in the color Adorable. This is like my favorite duo. I feel like this duo is so perfect for us Latinas that want like that perfect nude color, but you know, we don't want to put a nude ass color and get washed out. And I feel like this color is just beautiful. It complements, I feel like, every skin tone. For my eyelashes, I'm using the Cocoa Lashes in style Carry, and they are so nice. So yeah, if you guys really like this video, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I hope all of you guys have a beautiful Thanksgiving and you guys eat up and stuff your face, because this girl here is excited to do that. So yeah, bye guys.